Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to my channel Tech Sites Lab. Yeah, so my channel is mostly for vlogs and rarely do I do contents like this one, but for general purpose and maybe to educate uh, ourselves on some of the few things here and there, we can always try them in this our channel. So today I want to take you through the process of filing KRA returns. And if you're new on this channel, it's my humble request that you can subscribe so that we can get more engagements, and you can also share as well with your friends so that our channel can get more reach. So if you are watching again for the next time, or if you are coming back to watch again videos on this channel, I'm very grateful, and thanks for being here. So let's dive in and see how we can file the KRA returns. This is 2026, but the returns that we are filing for the period of the year 2025, that is from 1st January to 31st December 2025. So that's the return that we are going to fill here, or rather we are going to file here, and see if maybe there are some few changes on the portal, KRA portal, that is, and if there is anything that is new, we'll be able to know as we go by. So let's dive in and see what it has. So first thing first, we are going to launch the browser. I like using the Chrome. So yeah, and by the way, before we proceed, make sure you are having your P9 form. So this is my P9 form for the year 2025, the whole of 2025. This is the chargeable pay. You can see it there. I just received it. I received it from my employer. So just ensure you are having these, and because I'm very sure it's one of the necessary documents that when you want to file your returns, you must have it. So let's launch our browser. We are going to use Chrome, and when you get here, just search for the KRA. Yeah, you'll get KRA iTax. I prefer this one. I prefer you use KRA iTax. And after that, don't go to login direct, just click on this one. Yeah. After that, you'll receive this new page. You'll get this new page here, and you have a place to fill your PIN. Yeah, you have a place to fill your PIN here. So if you are if you forgot your PIN, you have an option to use your national ID number, which is still very okay, or you can just use your PIN if you remember it. So let's do it. We are going to use the PIN, which is A0101. I've not mastered it, so just bear with me. I'll have to confirm it. A0101 4630 4639D. Yeah, then from there, if you forgotten your password, just make sure you click on this one here, and you'll be taken to a page whereby you can reset your password. If you remember your password, everything is all fine, you can just hit this one. So for mine, this PC is mine, so I've always saved my password here. It's already here. After that one, we are going to do this simple arithmetic here, and you'll never miss to get that. Anytime you are coming to file your KRA returns, it's like the security stamp here, yeah. So you have to do that math. So 73 minus 14, that is, I think, 59, yeah. Then after that, you just hit login. I think there are some new changes, or maybe the site has just been revamped. Last time as I was here, it wasn't looking this fancy, so I think there are maybe a few things that they've done to this portal, and it looks presentable, kind of, though I've never used any of these. So here are downloads. I don't know what are exactly here. I'll kindly note you are not registered for VAT obligation. Okay, I was just checking what is in that download area. We also have imports here. I don't know what's there. We have sales, and also we have this one. Then above here we have all these tabs from home all the way to log out, so you can always log out after doing whatever brought you here. So we have home, registration, returns, debt, blah 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 blah, payments, assessment, refund, certificate. So you can always reprint some of your certificates here, yeah. Reprint with the withholding certificate if maybe you lost it, so you can always print most of those certificates from this side. Then also we have the useful links. You can also change your password here, pin check, blah blah blah. There are very many things here. E-communication, yeah, we have here ledger, logout, registration, blah 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 blah. If you want to amend your pin details, you can amend it there. Yeah, so that's all. And for our case, we want to use the returns portal. So the moment your cursor is here, you'll get this drop down, and these are some of the things we have here: file return, file amended return. So in case you file your return and you made a mistake, you can always refile it, but now under the original area, you'll now between the you won't choose the original. Now you'll choose the amended. There are two options there: original sorry, and the amended. So if you are amending, when you're coming to file in your returns, don't go to file return. You'll choose the file amended return, because you've amended it. For those who are filing nil returns, they will always come to this one, ITR, employment only income. You can use this one, and for me, I always prefer using this one, file return. So let's click it and see what it has. So we have three important things to fill here. Type, it's self-filled, you can't fill that, it's automated. Taxpayer pin, it's also automated. Then tax obligation, so this is where you'll be able to choose whichever tax obligation you want to, you choose your tax obligation. So here we have two options: income tax resident individual and income tax non-resident. So for the income tax non-resident, these are individuals who are not Kenyan citizen, and here income tax resident, these are Kenyan citizen. So I'm a Kenyan citizen, and I'll choose this one, income tax resident individual. I'm a Kenyan, yeah, so I'll choose that. After that, you'll just hit on next. Then I think here there are a few changes that has been made. Yeah, there are a few changes that has been made. Yeah, you can see here we have download auto-populated ITR return. I think I'm gonna use this for the first time. I want to try it out and see how it goes. Initially, we used to, at number 5, we used to click here, yeah, and then just go straight to download the Excel. After that, you fill the workbook in your Excel, and then you just validate and come back later and upload it here. So let's try the auto-populated ITR return. I think that will make work easier. If you want for this one here, I already did a video last year, and it will direct you on how to, let's just save it. It will direct you on how to use the Excel workbook that is empty, that is not filled. But today I want to try something different. Let's try this one, auto-populated one. So it's downloading. We can give it some time to download. For the ODS, I've never known what this ODS is, so I've never bothered to check on. I don't know what it is. Then after that, we can open the file. Let's go to download section and see whether it's there. So here we have it downloaded, but in most cases macros is always disabled. So before we go there, just make sure you enable it first. So under for this document here, you just place your cursor there, then you right click, then you look for properties where the property is. Yeah, so we have property here, and we are going to unblock. Yeah, so you see this file came from another computer and might be blocked, so help protect this computer. So macros always the macros won't allow you to open this file unless you unblock this one here. So after unblocking, you just check on okay. Then now this document, you are very free to open it on this computer. So remember, this is the auto-populated one. Yeah, this is the auto-populated one. It's very ready, everything. So we just want to compare whatever is inside here with what we have in the P9 form. Yeah, if they are not matching, then we'll be forced to download the Excel one and fill it for ourselves. So let's wait and see. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Maybe it's auto-populating it. I hope so. It's auto-populating the document. So let's give it some time and see what happens. So after all that, I think it's almost ready. I believe it was auto-populating, yeah. And after all the all those stuff that made me think that my computer is maybe being overworked, it's done. Yeah, so let's check on these tabs here. We have the error tabs, we have basic info, we have F employment, and I think there is something that has been added here, F2 other employment with final tax. This wasn't there last year, so I think it's something new. Then also M details was there. Yeah, M details was there. QIT was there. Then this one here, yeah, R, the R tab, the DTAA credits, that wasn't there. So those are some of the few things that I've noticed that have been added, and I don't really think I'm going to use them. So we go to the basic tab here. You can use this one here to scroll, or you just minimize it a bit. Yeah, you can minimize it a bit up to, I think 80 is okay. Then you can scroll all the way up. I think that's still not giving us everything. Yeah, so you can see everything is filled. You can see, so whatever I was saying, let me just zoom to 100, then use this one here to slide it this way. So this is the where I was saying type of return. Yeah, here is original. So you can see original. When you are filing an amended return, maybe you made a mistake and you want to file amended return, you will change this one. So it has that option. When you drop it down, you can see amended. So you can you will have to choose this amended when you are filing amended return. If you are doing the original, just leave it like that. Then we also have the dates, yeah, the return period. So the return period is from 1st January 2025 to 31st December 2025. That's the period for the return. So remember, this thing has been auto-populated. I haven't filled anything. It has absolutely been auto-populated. Yeah, let's check on the F, yeah, the employment income, and confirm if everything is good. So for the basic info, this tab here, this our interests are always only these four, I mean, yeah. This one, personal identification number, your KRA pin, then return, type of return, original or amended, whichever you are filing. Then we have the return period from to. Those are the ones that we are always interested in. For my case, yeah, what I'm always interested in. Then after that, you will just have to scroll, or rather tap the next tab, employment income. So for the employment income, we have this tab here, and let me just slide it again and confirm if all the details are okay. My employer PIN number P05 2019. Let me confirm. P020 P020 193 P020 193 86N 86N. So yeah, it has just auto-populated it correctly. Yeah, it has actually took the correct information from this P9 form. Yeah, then let's again confirm the name of employer, Medway Medical Center Limited. That's very okay. Then gross pay, let's check on the gross pay and see what we have in the gross pay section. So here we are told it's 372,000. So let's confirm here the gross. Let's confirm the gross to see whether it's 372 here. So as you can see, 372,000. Let's check on sorry. So for the employment income, the F tab, those are the only things that we need to fill here. So after that, you just click on next. You can click on next, or just go to the, or just click between the tabs. Yeah, so for this one, it's the one that I was saying. It was initially, it wasn't there last year. I didn't see it, so maybe it's just a new thing that has been introduced. I don't know what it does. And also for the auto population, it has just made, or rather filled everything to 0000000. So that means even if I was filing it on my own, I would have just put 00 as well, because I don't know what it is, or maybe I would have confirmed with one or two of my friends. So here again, we'll just click next. Then we'll go to the M details of the pie. M details here, yeah. So M section is the details of pie deducted. So as we always do for the previous one, pin of employer, it's exact that one. The name of employer, it's that one. Then taxable salary, let's confirm with the P9 form. Taxable salary is the chargeable pay. Yeah, taxable salary is what we call the chargeable pay. So it's at 333,864. Let's confirm if they are the same. 333,864. Yeah, they are very similar. Then tax payable on tax charged. Yeah, tax payable on tax charged. So that's the amount of tax that I've been able to pay for the year 2025. Let's see how much it is. Yeah, where is it? Tax charge here. Yeah, this one here. Did I check it correctly? Tax payable on tax charged. Yeah, it's 26,844. So that is the tax that I've been able to pay. Yeah, it has been auto-populated. It has been auto-populated. So let me try. No, that is not really coming out for me correctly, because under my tax chargeable pay 300 and that, then we have here we have 40, and 40 should be 26,844. Yeah, 26,844. I think I'll be able to confirm that later, or rather when I'll be validating this document or this Excel. If there is any error, it won't be able to do that. So anybody who have an idea why tax charged, this one 40 is not computing the same to this one 26,844. Anybody with an idea, you can let me know in the comment section. Then we go to the pie. Yeah, pi is 11,466. Let's also confirm that. Yeah, pi is 11,466. So that one is matching. So that one is very okay. That one is very okay. Yeah, next, so that is enough for details of pi deducted. We go to QIT. QIT, you just leave it as it is. There is nothing to fill there. Then this one, I've never seen it before. Yeah, so I think there are some of the new amendments that have been done to this one. Then we have the tax computation next. So in this section, tax computation, we should have a final balance here. We should have a final figure which is 0. Yeah, it should be 0. So whenever it's 0, I'm assuming that everything under the details of the pie was done correctly. Maybe in my P9 form, maybe the error is coming from my P9 form, but from the KRA, I think whatever they did is very correct, because after tax computation we have 0 here. Yeah, so let me also confirm a few things here. Defined pension contribution 22,320. Let's see. So pension contribution here, defined pension contribution, we are going to take the actual, the E2 here, and it's totaling to 22,320. Let's confirm. Yeah, 22,320. We have post-retirement fund, PRMF 3720. I didn't see that in my P9 form. Yeah, I can't see that in my P9 form. Then we also have the affordable housing levy. That one is also missing in my P9 form. But when you're having these in your P9 form, just make sure to confirm if they're telling. We also have the social health insurance fund, the SHIF. Yeah, 10,236. So that's also, I can see the 0 affordable housing here. This is where it was supposed to be filled. Then also for the insurance relief, the shift, it was supposed to be filled here. So I don't get why this P9 form looks like this, but whatever KRA gave me, I believe it's the correct computation. So everything is very okay here. Everything is okay. So what we can do, we just go ahead and validate this and see if there is any error. It won't be able to validate. If it passes the validation process, then that means everything is all fine. So validation always takes some time. It can take up to a minute or 3-4 or so. So let's wait and see. So as you can see, I'm getting this one. So sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate upload file? So you just accept that and proceed. So your zip file, you find the zip file here. So here it's where it's been taken to. It's been taken to OneDrive. Yeah, it's been taken to OneDrive. So let's find it there. OneDrive. User OneDrive documents. Yeah. So let's find it there. So personal here. Users. There are too many here. So hopefully I get it. Let me see if I can find it in home. Yeah, so what was the time? 22:09. No, that's not it. So let's just find here OneDrive. Yeah, under OneDrive we can find it under users. Those are many, very many. Let's see under documents. Yeah, so today is 21st March 2026, and the time was 22:08, and this one here is 22:26. So it's this one. So let me just cut and remove it from here because it's conveniencing me here. I don't want it here. So let me just cut and take it to somewhere I'm comfortable with. So let's drop it here. Control V. Okay, the folder is open somewhere, so let me close it here, and now it can be able to already save it. So don't save that one, so try again. Oh, did I do something wrong? Let me see where I found it here. Okay, documents. Okay, I think I did something wrong. I deleted it when I'm not supposed to. I was supposed to save it first, but I did, yeah. So here it is. Let's mark it and cut it. Yeah, let's cut it here. Downloads. Control V. Yeah, so we brought it here. So here it is. We can now go back to the KRA portal and upload this one. If there is any error, it won't go through. So here we are back here, and we already did that. So what you need to do is just come here, choose file. Yeah, choose file, and it's this one here. Yeah, It's this one here, so it's the one that we are going to use. So if it all goes well, then that means that everything was done correctly. Yeah, if it doesn't, then we'll have to amend it later. So that is that. Then come here. You can always read that one, but it's not my first time filing this, so I know what it entails. Then now you go here and wait for it to upload. So it's successful. Successful. If there would have been any error, it would have not gone through. Yeah, so that's a survey. I just skip it. If you're interested, you can check on it. So let's download the receipt and confirm if everything is okay. So under downloads, yeah, so this is the receipt. This is the receipt for the returns that we've just filed, and everything is okay. Yeah, everything is very much okay. So you can try that out. You can try it out. I've seen that it's really working. It's actually even making it easier, so anybody can just file the returns from home. Yeah, so that just made it easier, and I'm happy. Yeah, because filling that Excel form, it's always hectic. Yeah, it's always hectic. After doing it, you post, then you get critics like, no, it's not supposed to be that way, and you've already done that. And yeah, so by doing this method, I think that's much easier. Yeah, so taxable pay 4622. Yeah, 4622. Yeah, the 4622 I was talking about. Now I can see it. Yeah, you can see 4266 here. Yeah, 4266. Yeah, 4266. I don't know why the other one, when I was doing it, it was giving me 20 something thousand, but now it's giving me the correct one. Yeah, so sorry. Thank you guys for watching. It was just that simple. You can do it yourself. If you're not so sure of what you're doing, you can just go to the cyber and make sure you get it done correctly. Yeah, so you just confirm the date, 21st March 2026. I filed at 22:31 hours and 25 seconds. So yeah, so return period was from 1st January to 31st December 2025. Everything seemed to be all right. If there is any error, I'm sure I'll receive an email from KRA, or I'll just go to them directly and get it sorted. So thank you guys for watching, and see you again in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and always like. And if you like this kind of content, you can comment and let me know if I can also be doing such contents in my YouTube channel, though mine is mostly for travel vlogs, hotel reviews, and yeah, things like that. So meanwhile, thank you so much, and see you again next time. Adios.